everyone, and welcome to CT Connect. We know a lot of people are feeling uncertain about the financial markets at the moment. So today I've invited Callum Malcolm from Craig's Investment Partners along to share some insights with us. Callum, what's your golden rule for successful investing? And in addition to that, does that rule change when you see uncertainty in the markets like we're experiencing now?
Yeah, thanks Kirsty. Yeah, look, 2025 has been quite an uncertain year. There's been a lot of volatility in markets and there's been a few reasons for that, but I guess the number one reason would be the tariff announcements that we saw on the 2nd of April. And look, the markets were expecting some level of tariffs, but the level of tariffs were much higher than what we all anticipated. So that caused markets to sell off, in particular US assets. So we saw US equity markets fall by about 18-19%, US dollar fell, and also US interest rates sold off as well. So I'm pleased to say that things have recovered, and it probably leads me to my golden rule of investing. And at Craig's Investment Partners, we actually have a number of rules that we follow for how we invest client funds. But if I had to be singled out on one rule, that would be diversification. And diversification is all about not having all your eggs in one basket. So having a range of different assets. So that could be lower risk assets such as cash or fixed interest, including growth assets such as listed commercial property, New Zealand shares, or shares from all around the world. And what this does is it helps lower the risk profile of portfolios. And by lowering the risk profile, what we're talking about is the ups and downs of markets, but not at the expense of long-term returns.
Right.
So my golden rule would be diversification.
Okay, great. And what's one practical piece of advice you would give somebody who's just starting to look at investing now?
Yeah, I think probably just seeking out personalised financial advice. We've got 180 investment advisors at Craig's Investment Partners, to which I'm one. And look, we don't expect everybody to know the ins and outs of investing. Everybody's circumstances are different. Everybody's tolerance for risk is different. And retirement can look different for different people as well. So our job is to understand that with clients and then put in place some recommendations that best suit their needs. So
diversification and seek personalised advice based on the situation.
100%.
Okay. Thanks, Callum, that's really helpful. If you have questions about your specific situation or generally have would like more information about the financial markets, reach out and I can connect you with Callum from Craig's Investment Partners. We're here to help.